Hi teachers, the tech tool that I'm going to share with you today is actually a URL shortener. It's a tool that you can use to put in a very long URL and turn it into a much shorter one. And the reason that you may want to do this is sometimes when you want to tweet, share a link out like by tweeting and you have a limited number of characters that you can use, to shorten a URL is really the only way that you can share that out with folks. So you know there are other URL shorteners out there like bit.ly, those kinds of things. Those are great, except for they are all blocked at school. Students have figured out that they could use URL shorteners as a way to get around our filtering system. So we have to block a lot of the common URL shorteners that different sites use. But the MBCURL shortener is one that is powered by MyBigCampus, so it's a safe one. So this is what you do. If you have a video that you would like to share, or any website that you would like to share, I'm going to pick a YouTube video here. You just need to copy the longer link here. And then what you would do is you would go to MBCURL me, and it's obviously a link shortening service from MyBigCampus, and you would paste that longer link in, and then you hit shorten. And when you do that, this great big long link turns into a much shorter one. Then that link you can copy and add right into a tweet, or you can email that shorter one out. I mean, for whatever reason, if you would want to shorten it that way. You can add it right into one of your tweets, and it doesn't take up near as many characters as a longer link would. And so you can see that that little shortened link takes up a lot less space in there. So again, it's a good way for sharing videos. If you have students make videos and you upload them to YouTube, this is a good way to tweet them out to save characters as you're sharing them. I know I use Google Docs a lot, and those Google Doc links are super long. So this is a way that you can do that in a little shorter format. So again, the tool is called MBCURL Me, and I hope that you will find a good use for that in your classroom.